Hello students, welcome class 4 to your e-learning computer class. Previous class we have completed from chapter number 3 short answer type question. Very short answer type question is completed. Previous class we have completed, and short answer type question number 1 it is also completed. Okay, what is rainbow effect? This is also completed. Today I want to start from B, question number 2B. Okay, you all please take out your computer notebook and please note down. Okay, very short answer type question completed, and short answer type questions number 1 completed. We will start from B. Okay. Short answer type question. Question number 2. How will you add the bubble effect to your drawing? How will you add bubble effect to your drawing? How will you add the bubble effect to your drawing? You have to write the step. Write the answer. Click on the new tool. First, click on the new tool and then draw a beautiful paint on that. Then draw a painting on that. Now click on the magic tool. Next, click on the magic when you click on the new tool, from the toolbox the create a new file. When you click on the new tool, a new file will be open, and next draw a painting on that. Then in a new file you just draw a painting and then click on the magic tool and then select foam effect. In under of the magic tool, foam effect. And select foam effect. Select the foam effect and drag over the different area. Different areas of your canvas. According to your need. According to your need. Okay. So first you have to click on the new tool. The new file will be open, and then draw a painting on that. Then on the new file you just draw a painting and then click on the magic tool. After clicking on the magic tool, right side you can see the sharp tooth. Select the foam sorry, select the foam effect. Select the foam effect and drag over the, select the foam effect and drag over the different areas of your canvas according to your need. According to your need. Okay? This is the first answer. Next question number 3. Next question number 3. How is the waves effect different from the wavelets effect? How is the waves effect different from the wavelets effect? Okay, what's the difference between, okay, wave effects and wavelet effects? Next, write down the answer. Okay, a wave effect is used to wiggle any picture horizontally and wavelets wiggle the picture vertically. This is the difference. Okay, write down the answer. The waves effect is used the wave effects is used to wiggle any picture horizontally. The waves effect is used to wiggle any picture horizontally. And the right side, please write down the wavelets effect. Wavelets, the wavelets effect, the wavelets effect is used to wiggle any picture vertically. Rather than horizontally. Okay, how is the waves effect different from the wavelets effect? The wave effect is used to wiggle any picture horizontally. And the right side, please write down, the wavelets effect is used to wiggle any picture vertically rather than horizontally. Okay, next question. I will drop the board and we will write the next question. How can you change the background color in the pen? question number 4. How can you change the background color in dark paint? How can we change the background color? Select new and write down the answer. Click on the new tool. Write the answer. Click on the new tool and you will get color boxes to start a new drawing. Then you will get colored boxes to start a new drawing. Click on the new tool, then you will get colored boxes to start a new drawing and select any frame. Click on the down arrow button, then click on the down arrow button select any frame, any colored frame of your choice. Then select any colored frame select any frame of your choice. Then click on open. Then click on open button. Then click on open button. You will get a blank screen with the background color of your choice. Then click on open button. When after clicking the open button, then you will get a blank screen with the background color of your choice. Okay. And now next, there think and do. You will draw. If you have touchpad in your home computer, then you will please draw this two picture to Sherry. Just paint. You will draw over there, and you will notice then which tool you applied. Okay. I will not say anything. You just draw and notice then which tool you use, which tool you apply to draw this scenery. Okay. Next, activity time. I will just show this activity time. How we will change the background color in TaskPaint. First click on the new tool. Then you will get color boxes to start a new drawing. Click on the down arrow button. Then select any frame of your choice and click on open button. Then you will get a blank screen of your choice. Any colored background. Okay. Next, all of you just write. Please solve this one in your book. Activity time. Activity time. Read the given sentences and fill in the given puzzle. Okay. There are. Suppose number 1. Number 1. I am used to erase unwanted part of the picture. Eraser. Eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R. We use eraser tool to erase unwanted part of the drawing. Next, number 2. This is number 1. 1. Next, number 2, I am used to form foam in the drawing. I am used to form foam in the drawing. Number 2, it will be foam effect. F-O-A-M. Foam effect. This is number 2. Next, number 3. I am used to wiggle any picture horizontally. Any picture horizontally we use waves. Number 3. W-A. Number 3. W-A-V-E-S. Waves. Next, number 4. I am used to wiggle any picture vertically. This is number 4. 4. Wavelets. W-A-V-E-L-E-T-S. Wavelets. This is number 4. This is 1, 2, 3. Wavelets. And next, number 5. I am used to add white noise to your drawing. Noise. N-O-I-S-E. N-O-I-S-E. Noise effect. Noise effect we use. This is number 5. This is 1 eraser, number 2 foam, number 3 waves, number 4 wavelets, and number 5 noise. Okay? Today this much. Please all of you note down. Thank you. Have a nice day.